I want to show you how to navigate this course. We're on the home page right now. And as you can see, there's an announcement at the top. I've got it set so 3 announcements will appear on the top before they disappear into this announcements page. So you can check old announcements here. Always you can check your grades here. I've left NetTutor on, but I don't think we're going to be able to use it this term because they're backed up with the shut-in. I'm going to encourage you guys to see tutors in our own library. Inbox is crucial. It's where we communicate with each other, where you guys also, you students, can communicate to each other here. All right, so the modules, you can click here to get to the modules, or you can click on this link here to go directly to the first page in the first module, which is a welcome from me. And then the second page is the overview page, and you'll have one of these in every single module. It's got a table with all the assignments due in this module. So as I have explained to you elsewhere, there will be 3 modules per week. The first one will be released I'll probably end up releasing them a bit early, but it'll be released sometime on the weekend and it'll have a Tuesday due date. The second module will have a Thursday due date, and the third module will have Saturday and Sunday due dates.